everybody. Chef Jay-Z back again, and we are going to have a fantastic time today.
Because the food from all 8 is going to be absolutely amazing.
Let's eat.
I know the students are excited, nervous, gonna crush it.
I just cooked this dish with all my heart, and that's the reason maybe I selected this dish for the competition.
The talent that the students are showing in that kitchen is just absolutely amazing.
Of course, I'm truly excited because food brings people around the table and they're doing it.
The balance of flavors is really nice.
And it makes me want to go and get more.
One of the best things that I've eaten in the last month.